Say hello to the GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker Countertop, the perfect blend of innovation and convenience. This sleek, portable ice machine isn't just about making ice. It's about redefining your ice-making experience. Designed with built-in Wi-Fi, it pairs seamlessly with an app, giving you control at your fingertips. You can even use Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free commands. Need fresh ice? Schedule it anytime, anywhere. Perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a refreshing drink at home. One of the standout features of this machine is its rapid ice-making capability. In just 6 minutes, you get 9 perfectly shaped bullet ice cubes, ideal for cooling drinks without melting too quickly. With a 2-liter water tank, this ice maker can churn out up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. That's enough for all your icy needs, whether it's a hot summer day or a cozy winter evening. Keeping it clean is a breeze with its efficient self-cleaning function. A simple press of the clean button initiates a 10-minute process that keeps the ice maker fresh and hygienic. Plus, with app customization, you can adjust cleaning intervals to ensure your ice always tastes clean and pure. Choose from 3 adjustable bullet ice sizes, small, medium, or large, to suit your needs. The stick-resistant design ensures your ice is always ready to serve. And the RGB ice basket? It doesn't just store ice, it lights up with customizable colors, making your ice-making experience truly unique. With smart reminders, you'll know when to refill water or empty the basket, thanks to app notifications. It's smart, efficient, and stylish. The GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker combines convenience, technology, and style in one compact design. Perfect for your kitchen or any occasion, it's a must-have for anyone who loves ice on demand. Ready to elevate your ice game? Click the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today.